Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on blockchain.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but if you don't have one, you can always go and register to blockchain. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official blockchain.com application where we have the home screen, prices, and earn in the bottom. And in the top left corner, we have everything about your profile. Here we can go and switch from account to the DFI wallet also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Bitcoin on blockchain.com. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, you need to go and log into your wallet via the web browser. It's much easier like that. Then click trade button in the top right corner and select buy. After doing that, select the cryptocurrency you'd like to go and buy. So in this case scenario, it is the Bitcoin. Enter the amount, select your payment method, and click preview buy. After that guys, all you need to do is go and double check all the details and click buy now. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on, as guys, you know, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be, as I said, everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.